Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you best natural nail design to try for 2023 step by step guide. Trust me when I say nail art isn't just for maximalists. Yes, statement making chrome, mayonnaise and vibrant marble nail may be all over your feed, but more natural looking nail designs are equally cool for 2023. The beauty of minimalist nail art design and manicure done with stable neutral polishes is that the way won't clash with whatever you were wearing, and you won't tire of them as quickly as you would with a bolder design. Also great. Most neutral nail design are shockingly easy to DIY, so you can experiment with different many ideas without spending a ton of dollars and making a trip to the salon. Are you sold yet? Great, because I did hours of IG scrolling to bring you this round dump of 30 best neutral nail designs and ideas of 2023, from medium French manicures to pearl studded accent nails are designed for you. Let's talk about design number one is neutral nail art design Ethiopia inspired nails. Ethiopia inspired makeup can be intimidating for minimalists, which is why I recommend getting in on the trend with a wavy mani like this design. It's stable but still cool, and all you need is a clear base coat, opaque white polish, and few tiny gemstones of DIY. Let's talk about design number two, this neutral clister mani. There's just something so stylish about nude nails and this look ups the ant with a gem placed on each tip. This requires essentially no experience because all you have to do is paint your nails with your favorite neutral polish and pop a sticky gem on top. Style number three is neutral nail idea. This French manicure design. This is for anywhere anyone is Wednesday era. The black tips on these clear nails can be achieved by dipping nail into black nail polish rather than painting the polish on.